come and glow with me. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Oh my god, I can't believe I did this, but yeah guys, you guys can see, you guys are seeing it clearly. I've cut off my natural hair. My hair was a mess, so I'm sure I'm going to part this video in 2 parts. So like I don't know which one I'm going to upload, but anyways, if you are seeing this part, it's because you have seen the first part. Okay, so my cuties, like, let me be fast in this. I just decided to cut my hair today, being 15th of September. Yeah, today is 15th of September. Wait a minute. So today is 15th of September 2019, and my crazy ass did this just now, and like, oh my god. But anyways, I've cut off my hair. I'm loving this hair right now because I styled it a little bit. So I'm going to show you guys the DIY sponge I did for you guys, not to spend so much dollars, so much euros in this thing, because you can actually do it with less than €1 with that sponge. So I did a detailed tutorial, okay, for you guys to see everything. So yeah, my cuties, oh my god, I can't believe this. So like right now, I'm loving the hair so much, like I won't lie. I'm loving my hair so much, like, oh my god, I finally did it. So yeah, oh my god, 15th September, I can't believe this. Yes, I've done it. I don't care, like, my hair was a mess. Okay, so I needed this so badly. So yeah, what else? Okay, so yeah, my contact lenses are from colorcl.com. Today I'm wearing the Topaz from the Harris Blossom collection. They have prescription. They are my favorite contact lenses, that's why I always put those. So like, yeah, what else? Okay, yeah, my lashes are from colorcl.com by the name Imo Lashes. The number is DR05, and yeah, my discount code is GGLOW10 for you to get 10% off in each order you have from colorcl.com. Okay, so my cuties, yeah, I don't want to talk, I don't want to make this intro. I think I'm so fast today. I'm talking so fast because I'm overexcited. I don't know why. Like, this 15th of September is making me, it's doing me somehow. Oh my god. And yeah, thank god my children are sleeping, because like the first video, I know you guys heard a lot of noise and I'm not used to that. But anyways, thank god my children are sleeping, because tomorrow they're going to school and ish. So yeah, as I was saying, I use this 2 sponge. Okay, I did 2. I did this because it's very soft for the front part of my hair, and this one is still soft, but this one is softer. So I use this in the whole part of my hair, and this only in the front. Okay, so my cuties, yeah, if you want to know how I achieve this and this, just keep watching.
I will do anything for you. Hey, my baby, don't worry. Baby, now you be my titular. Only enough for you, I gonna last forever. Cuckoo, I know see no better day, 'cause everything we go share. Now only you I go commode, we go tackle, we no go foire. Call me anytime, I go day. Bad fashion, I go draw it. I go shiny, you baby shiny. We go deliver. Doudou, he go better. Chouchou, he go better. Coucou, he go better. La wame, he go better. My baby, oh, he go better. Nounou, so he go better. Nyame, he go better. Chérie, coco. fini papi drage you tutu I go soon put them in a full line. I go fire them honey tutu. Just with your love, but I can't bear the fool. To every other kind of prefer, and they going to rapture over you. A big lies used to chew on. I know say no better that day, cause everything we go share. Now only you we go come out there. We go tackle, we no go foire. Call me anyway, I go day. Bad fishing, I go throw it. I go pam pam, you will be charming. We go deliver.
Hi guys, so I'm doing the second part right now. Okay, so I've done the first part. Okay, so right now I'm going to style this hair. Okay, it has dried already, so I'm going to be adding some water in it. Okay, so wait a minute. Finally my kids are asleep because tomorrow they have school, so yeah, finally I can record without any noise. Oh my god, my kids are so funny. I thank god I finally did this big chop because I needed it so bad, like so bad. Okay, I hope my hair grows. Like I'm going to be putting updates. Okay, so today, let me check the date. Wait a minute. Today is 15th. Wait a minute. Today is 15th. You can see it right here. Is 9/14, 15th of September 2019. So is the day I cut off my hair. Oh my god, I still can't believe I did this just now. So yeah, I still can't believe that. So I'm doing two parts video. I think I'm going to be doing it two parts because the first part is too long. So like yeah, I will make this part not to be too long like that. So let me be fast. What I'm going to be using in my hair today, the cream, is from BBH Blends. They've sent this to me like 2 months ago. I've been using this, is for babies. Okay, I've been using this for my son and this for me, but today I want to try this one, the one I'm using for my son, because it's really making his hair so soft, so smooth and all. This is the Tango and Moisturize with aloe vera, peppermint, vitamin E, tea tree oil, I think. So yeah, so it gives growth too, made for all types of hair. Okay, so you can see it here. Like guys, you need to go to BBH Blends because they have, like, this smells so good. Like, oh my god, this smells so good. I'll be using very small quantity, as you guys can see, for my baby. And yeah, I also have a video of my son while I'm washing his hair. It's so funny. So yeah, I'm applying this amount. Maybe I'll apply more, I don't know. So now I'm going to comb my hair. You can use this type of comb or this type. Okay, I like both, but this one is better. Why I did these two options is because this one is more firm and this one is more soft for the front of my hair. I don't want to damage this area because it's very sensitive. So that's why I did two. You can only do one if you want. Okay, so I'm going to be applying my Eco Styler gel. I'm not using this so much, so yeah, that's why it's still full over here. So yeah, you have to apply a generous amount of gel if you want your curls to pop. Oh my god, I hate gel. If you guys know me very well, you know that I hate gel. I hate it, but I don't have any other option for now. So now is the time we will see if this will work. So I'll be using this first.
I go do anything for you. Hey, my baby, don't worry. Baby, now you be my titular. Honey, now for you I go last forever. Cuckoo, I know say no better day. Cause everything we go share. Now only you I go commode. We go tackle, we no go foire. Call me anytime I go there.
Okay. I'm going to lay my edges with that. Just a little bit. I don't want anything dramatic over here. So yeah.
Bad fashion, I go throw it. I go shiny, you baby shiny. We go deliver. Doudou, he go better. Chouchou, he go better. Coucou, he go better. La wame, he go better. My baby, oh.
If you like this video and this video was helpful for you, don't forget to like, subscribe right there, click the bell button over there and share, and we'll see you in my next video. I have many styles to do with this short hair. Many. Like, you guys that have short hair, you guys enjoy, man. You guys didn't tell me. Like, I'm loving this thing. Okay, I'm going. Okay. Bye guys. Wait a minute, I'm not going nowhere. I need some music. I got new jams for you guys.
Bon, tu as fini de nous couper, non? C'est maintenant nous on te coupe aussi. Le tennisteur va encore frapper. 100 ans de chansons dans mon corps. Slow down, slow down. Why you won't kill yourself? Why you won't by yourself? Living fake la vida loca. They back by you. They money, they just money you.
Nyame, ego beta, chérie Coco. If anybody drag you to do, I go so put them.